Hello you guys, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope your day is going absolutely amazing so far. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I made these gorgeous abstract stiletto nails, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. As you can see, I'm going to be going in with my Beetles base gel and I'm going to be applying one even coat on top of each of the nails. Making sure to clean up the sides and then curing it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be using my Nude gel from Riyas nails in the shade 112, the one and only. If you've seen my last few videos, you know I absolutely love this one because you don't need to do a lot of coats to build it up due to how opaque it is. Again, cleaning up those sides. After that's done curing for 60 seconds, we're going to be adding a second coat of that Nude gel. Now while we're letting that dry in the lamp, we're going to go ahead and lay down the colors that we're going to be using for this design. We're going to be using Beetles' gel polish in bright white and this black from the brand Modelones. Now to paint this design, all we're going to be doing is creating some abstract swirl lines and doing different abstract looks on each of the nails by going in with the black first as a blueprint.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them.
After curing those in the lamp for 60 seconds, I'm now going to be using my dotting tool to go ahead and create these small little white dots on the pinky nail. And for this nail, we're just going to be creating a bunch of random white lines on top of that black part that we created earlier. Going back in with my dotting tool, applying white dots only in the middle between both lines. Skipping the pointing finger and moving on to the thumb, we're going to use the dotting tool again, applying the dots only along where the black lines are.
There's many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right on.
Putting them in the nail lamp now for 60 seconds. Next up is to apply our top coat, and the one I'm going to be using is from Beetles, giving each nail an even layer and then cleaning up the sides. After applying that top coat and curing them for 60 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and wipe the nails down with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, just so that way they're prepared for the crystals we're going to put on top. Now using my McCart rhinestone glue, I'm going to be adding the light pink crystals to the nails, but only onto the ring finger, middle finger, and pointing finger. And we're going to be curing those for about 30 seconds. Alright you guys, this set is now officially complete and I really love how these ones came out. They look absolutely beautiful, just look at the way they shine. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more press-on content to come. As always, I appreciate you guys and thank you so much again for watching today's video. See you in the next one. Bye for now.